Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by turning voice access on an accessibility and granting microphone plus required accessibility permissions. This lets the system receive and act on your speech. Once done, open the app and either say the wake phrase or tap the mic to start a session. You will see numbered overlays or hints. These let you speak concise commands. Make sure to keep background noise low so the app can detect your voice cleanly and respond without delays. You now refine how voice access interprets commands. Select the basic or web command set depending on what you use most, and change language and sensitivity to match your accent and environment. Once configured, practice core phrases like tap one, scroll down, and switch to Gmail to map numbered overlays to actions. As you test, observe the visual labels. They explain why a spoken phrase triggers a specific action. If you keep commands short, the app stays accurate and fast. You finish by ending the session with stop listening or tapping the mic. This conserves battery and prevents accidental commands. If the app mishears you, first slow down and retry the exact command. Next, lower background noise and adjust sensitivity. Make sure language settings match your voice. If problems persist, revoke and regrant permissions or reinstall the app to clear corrupted data. One key tip: reboot the device after.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.